Well, good morning, everybody. The job at hand today is to move the pond, but I need to clean up where it's going. It's going to go right around where that cart is, right there. You can see I moved the 2 California palms. They were sitting where those new dirt marks are. I planted some grass and put some Miracle-Gro like garden mix on top of them. But I just don't. I want to move the pond. I want the yucca. I think that's a yucca. I want to cut that down or move something. I want a much more wide opened grass area. So I got to clean that up, and then I got to move the pond. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I can't really take the fish out of it. I got nowhere to put them. So I'm going to have to drain it out to a certain extent and then try to pick it up. So anyway, it's not going to do itself, so let's get on it. It's break time already. Actually, I'm just trying to figure out how to, because I have to move all the plants, I have to move all the bricks. I've already started draining it, and now I'm just taking a break, enjoying some coffee. But I got to get back to it because I'm gonna put it over by the barbecue. Ultimately, I believe it's gonna go right in here where these bricks are. But I'm going to put it over there because I got to dig a big hole there to put, because I want to put it actually in with the ground with the daisies kind of hanging over. It'll look good, I think. But long way to go yet, and it's definitely going to be an ongoing project because I don't know how long it's going to take me. This ground is like concrete, so to dig the hole, I don't know. The waterfalls, everything's going to be disconnected for a while. But, nope. I'll finish my coffee and we'll get back to it. Okay, so I got the bricks. That is like the minimum amount that needs to be moved. So hopefully, once the water's drained out, I could just slide it right over. That's the plan, at least. Will it work? I don't know. But I'll tell you what, we're going to find out. Then I'll have to move the rest of those bricks, and that whole spot has sunk in so far. I'm sure I'm going to have to put some fill in there. But, on with the project. Isn't that so much better? Your lawn's going to look nice there. So I've got the pond over there for right now. Like I said, it's going to go over here, but I got to dig a hole to put it in. So I got this area all reseeded and covered over with some this Miracle-Gro potting mix. And I just ran the cheap Walmart lawnmower over it real quick because it was pretty ragged around where I couldn't get to cut it when the pond was there. So the plan for over here now is the pond will be in, shadows, sorry. The pond will be in the ground right there. We'll have the daisies kind of growing over, it'll be pushed up against the daisies there. I don't know where the waterfalls are going to go yet. We've got 2 of them that we have to work out, but the main part of the pond will be in the ground, and then there'll be like a hardscape going all the way around it with different, tropical or non-tropical, just kind of jungly looking vibe is what I'm looking for. It's very dirty right now. Got the filters already plugged. I got to get in there and get it cleaned, but yeah, that was the project for now. I might leave it. It might take, that is looking so amazing. Okay, getting off track. I might I don't know. It's probably going to take me a couple weeks because I only take 1 day a week off right now, most weeks. And the last thing I want to do is dig a hole in this concrete dirt. But I know it's got to be done, so I don't know. We're going to start working on the planting phase, but it's moved now. I get my nice, beautiful lawn area back. Opens it up quite a lot in there. Now you can see all the freesias behind it and the caladium that are going to be coming up below that fruitless mulberry tree. Of course, the cannas over there on either side of the walkway down to the pool. Yeah, taking shape. It's looking up. Yeah, I'm probably not going to end this video right here. I might add something else to it. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So I started digging the hole, and I was looking for a place to put the dirt. Or I was kind of wrapping it around there, and then I realized that's dumb. The dirt's not going back in the hole. It's got to go because the pond is going in the hole. So I went and got the gorilla cart, started dumping it out back. But that brings me to a good time to end the video because I'm not thinking straight. It's a short one, I know. Some people like the short ones, some people like the long ones, but now you kind of get a view of what's going on. Gonna be barbecuing tonight, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go on a bike ride now. As if digging a hole and moving a pond wasn't enough exercise. I need my cardio for the week. So hope everybody's doing well. Leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.